Hello everyone, I am Dr. Preetpal Kaur. Today I am here to represent my department, that is Department of Science. Science is a subject which takes us from the state of confusion to the state of understanding in a manner which is very much precise, which is very much correct, and which is based on experiments and the scientific study. As our ideal is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He always used to say that you must dream before your dream can come true. So as from the science department, we have also seen a dream to provide more and more scientists to the society, and for that we are working so that we can provide them research oriented ambience, so that they can get a platform where they can be very much acquainted to the research environment. As we have a very strong mission, we especially work to provide scientists to the society. We have a very much positive approach toward infinitive possibilities especially in the research field, and we create the student's future through science and innovation, and we are always challenged to inculcate out of box thinking among the students. As to complete any mission, we need a very strong vision. So our vision is very much strong, and we work on the vision collectively as a team. Our vision is to explore the world of innovation and research, and to use the student intellect for the discovery of new products which are very much beneficial for the mankind, so that they can contribute to the society, and to enhance the productivity using optimum resources with the help of always new techniques. As we work as a team, and our team head, that is Professor Manish Biyani. Sir has dual responsibilities in India as well as in Japan. In India, he is working as a Director Research and Development in Biyani Girls College, and in Japan, Sir is working as a Project Professor in ZAIS Institute, that is Japan Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Sir has more than 90 patents to his credits, and more involved in the various kind of research projects, and a peer review of more than 100 research papers. Sir has very much advanced techniques, innovative techniques to his credit. Recently in April, he discovered a new chip, that is a swine flu chip, and the most important thing, that was very much revolutionary chip because it could detect the swine flu within just 5 minutes. Sir also did the experiments on at SMS hospital also, and to help in detecting the swine flu in a very short time span. Now here is a faculty list. Our team head, Dr. Priyanka Dadupanti, she is MSc PhD. She is also head of Department of Zoology. Dr. Umesh Garu, Ms. Neetu Parikh, Ms. Divya Vishisht. And from Biotech, Dr. Sunita, Dr. Anurag Jain, Ms. Rashri Nagar, Ms. Poonam Rajawat. From Maths Department, Ms. Mamta Chaudhary, Ms. Hina, Dr. Radhika Goyal, Ms. Akanksha Shukla. From Chemistry Department, Mr. Ankit Sharma, Mr. Ashish Sharma, Mr. Jadev Sharma, and Ms. Pooja Sharma. From the Botany Department, I myself, Dr. Preetpal Kaur, Ms. Kanchan Sharma, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Ms. Kanta Saini, and Ms. Asha Goyal. And there are lab in charges who take care of the labs and help the students to get acquainted with the lab equipments and techniques. Mr. Muhammad Shakil, Ms. Alka Dadij, Ms. Sheenu Sharma, and Mr. Jitendra Prasad Sharma. As we are various kind of study programs are running over here, undergraduate and postgraduate programs. In undergraduate programs, we have a BSc Pass course and BSc Biotechnology. And in postgraduate programs, we have MScs in Mathematics, Chemistry, Zoology, Biotechnology, and Environmental Science. And recently we have introduced the MSc in Physics, and we have more than 21 admission in MSc in Physics. As science is a subject which is based on experiments and scientific knowledge, so we have well equipped labs, all the labs, basic labs like Physics, Biotechnology, and Chemistry. And along with the basic labs, we have a very much high profile lab, that is a genome profiling or GP lab. The lab is established and time to time updated by Professor Manish Biyani. It has got all the equipments which are very much required for the high scientific studies. As sir always used to say that there should not be any kind of study left just because of the dearths of any kind of equipment. So we have a lab. Along with the study, we also give emphasis on the holistic developments of the students. So we have extracurricular activities also. We have MOS program, that is microsocialization, PEP program, that is personality enhancement program, CEP, competitive exam preparation, and the most important program that is run by Professor Sanjay Biyani. He is a director academic, that is Urja program, which inculcate the positivity and motivation among the students. We give emphasis on the overall development of the students. So we are involved in various kind of other activities also. Here is a program that is named as a career mantra, is being aired on the Zee Marudhara channel. The program is by our director academic Professor Sanjay Biyani, where he gives counseling to the students as well as people about their problems in personal life as well as about their career choices. We provide the materials to the students on our website, that is www.gurukpo.com, in the form of text, that is called as a think tanks. These think tanks are prepared by our lecturers only to provide the material, free study material to the students, as well as various kind of video lectures are also given by our lecturers, which can help them, which can help the students so that they can grasp the things better even if they skip the class. Along with this, the free counseling is also given to the students about their career as well as their personal life problem. This counseling is based on the mental aptitude and psychological test. That counseling is given by our Professor Sanjay Biyani, which is our director academic. Here is our most awaited event, BICON. It is India-Japan bilateral conference. Here all the modules of the subject, they collect under a roof, and students are very much benefited from them as they share their knowledge and as they get knowledge and as they also interact with the subject specialist. Here all the subject specialists from all over the world, they give their lectures. Here the glimpses of the BICON 14. The BICON 14 was chaired by Professor Manish Biyani, who is the Research and Development Director in Biyani Girls College, and Professor Yuzuru Takamura, who is a professor in the ZAIST, and he is also an advisor in Biyani Group of College. In BICON 14, there were 2 plenary lectures, 3 technical sessions, 6 invited lectures were there, and 7 oral presentations were there. We also conduct the poster competition among the students, and students from different college, they come here and they present their poster. We also published a souvenir of the BICON conference, and in the last year conference there were 11 research paper was published, 27 abstracts were there, 17 poster presentations were there, and at the last of the conference there was panel discussion also. These are the just glimpses of the BICON 14. As the students get a lot from here and we work on their overall development, so many students from our college get international placements. Miss Himnakshi Rathod, she got placed in the ZAIST Japan in the master and doctoral program, and she is 1,11,000 rupees per month. Miss Amrita Kumari, she also got placed for the doctoral course in Saitama University in Japan, and she is getting 1 lakh rupees per month for 2 years. Miss Amrita Dudhani, she also got placed for the doctoral course in Saitama University, Japan, and she is also getting 1 lakh rupees per month for 3 years. Miss Harshita Sharma, she also got engaged in the bioengineering doctoral course in Saitama University, Japan, and she is getting also 1 lakh rupees for 5 years per month. Miss Ankita Jain, she got placed in ME in bioengineering in University of Tokyo, Japan, and she is getting 1 lakh rupees per month for 3 years. Miss Pramila Kumari got placed in doctoral course in bioengineering in Saitama University, Japan, and she is getting 50,000 rupees per month for 5 years. Miss Deepti Diwan, she also got placed in bioengineering doctoral course and getting 90,000 rupees per month for 3 years. 94,000 rupees per month for 3 years. Miss Nupur Nigam, she got engaged in doctoral course in cell biology and getting 34,000 rupees per month for 3 years. As we get, so many students have got the scholarships also. So last year one of our students from the biotech, Ms. Kirti Sharma, she got the maths scholarship, and that is a very much high kind of scholarship in the Japan, and it is supported by the Ministry of the Japan, and she got it for 3 years for a special kind of assignment in the Japan. As we give more and more emphasis on the research, so we came out with flying colors in the research techniques. Last year we developed a LED device for the analysis of biomolecules under the guidance of Professor Manish Biyani, and it is a very revolutionary device because it can detect the biomolecules in a very short time span. It's a cost effective also, as there is not only that which is getting in the classroom. So we also arrange the industrial trips for the students so that they can get the practical knowledge. Last year we visited to the Saras Dairy, Jaipur, where students got the knowledge about how the milk is pasteurized and how it is collected for a long time. And we celebrate each and every festival with lots of enthusiasm. So these are the glimpses of various kind of festivals and programs which are run over in the Biyani Girls College. It is Dandiya Night, Republic Day celebration, Independence Day celebration, annual function. There is a Spectrum is also being celebrated in our college, which is an inter-college competition, and it is held for 3 days continuously, and students from various colleges take part in this. And at last I would like to say thank you and thank you.